Afternoon, guys. Well, spectacular day again today, gorgeous day, and so I've been just splitting a bit of wood up, and then a saw has arrived which came in part exchange against a vintage partner saw. So not one I wanted, but so this arrived in today with a spare power head. So, and this came against a vintage partner 450 saw. So I've allowed £35 for it. I didn't see it. The gentleman sent me a picture, described it well. So it was picked up and then just arrived. So I thought, you know what, I'll do a video for this because this is going straight up on eBay, and hopefully this is be suitable for one of you guys out there. So I know nothing about these other than they're kind of a generic Chinese saw. I haven't cut with the Chinese engine for a long time now, and so on the top it says 53 cc's. The model is one of the 5800s. Can run up to a 20-inch bar. So this is running a 20-inch bar, and I've got to say the bar looks in really good condition. It's got no burrs on the runners as far as I can tell. I put some grease on the nose wheel just before I'm about to try to cut with it. Chain life looks excellent, and I've nicked myself actually pulling it out of the box, so might be sharp. So we'll see how she performs. Put fuel and oil in, 2 pulls, and she fires straight up and goes straight to idle. So she seems a really nice running engine, and incredibly it comes with another power head just for spares. So obviously incomplete, the side cover's missing, but the engine looks very clean. Obviously has a complete clutch and sprocket where the teeth look really good, the exhaust looks good, pull start housing's missing, both the filler caps are missing, throttle assembly's there, carburettor's there, and the covers etc on top, and a decent handle. So that's also coming into the deal as well. So it cost 35 and it's going up for exactly what it cost. So with no further ado, let's see how she cuts. It'll be really interesting as well on the back of having been cutting yesterday with the McCulloch and a couple of the Huskies. Kill switch, throttle lock. So again, I don't know if she needs sharpening, but we'll soon see. Okay guys, so wow, so okay, true to the man's word, she runs, she has really good compression, starts really well. So, and that's done about, I don't know, what was that, 6 or 7 cuts. So thanks for watching guys. So that's, what is that, 2.2 kilowatt they say, so just under 3 horsepower, 53cc. Going up on eBay for spares or parts, but hopefully that'll be a really nice saw for one of you out there, and the addition of a spare engine to go with it. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, more videos to come. Bye for now.